Hello students, welcome back to the video classes. This is Poonam Bhati from Little Angel School. As you know that I am your computer teacher. Students, make sure that you have your textbook with you with all the time while attending the class. Okay? So students, please take next 5 seconds to keep your book ready. 5, 4, 3, 2 and last 1. Students, I hope you all are ready. Yes, let's get started. Students, today we are going to cover the exercise of your chapter 2. So this is the exercise time. This is your chapter 2. Chapter 2 is uses of computer, and your exercise are arise in your page number 13, page number 14, page number 50 and page number 16. Got it? So let's start with page number 13 exercise. This is the page number 13 exercise in which the question are arise, think and answer. Okay, in which some boxes are there and you have to mention the name of places. Okay, so complete the crossword puzzles with the help of given picture clue. Okay, so these were the picture. With the help of these picture you have to complete your crossword puzzles. Okay, so first picture shows first one, this one. First picture shows, yes, it shows the space research. Second picture, here, bottom, top to bottom, that is it shows the hospitals picture, hospitals. Third, here it shows office, here fourth it shows hotel. Okay, it shows hotel. Next, here it shows shop, Next, this is the bank picture, so answer is bank. Okay, next, this is the airport. Okay, this is the airport. And last, this is the school. Okay, so I will show the answer of this slide in the next slide. Okay, so the answer is here. Complete the crossword puzzle with the help of the given pictures clue. The first is space research, second is hospital, third is offices, fourth is hotel, fifth is shop, sixth is bank, seventh is airport and eighth is school. Get it? Have you write this? Good, very good. So let's start the next page. Page number 14. Okay, page number 14. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. In the page number 14, exercise time is here. Okay, so first part is fill in the blanks with the correct words and second part is tick the correct option. So let's start with the fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is dash use the computer to make timetables. Where we use the computer? Where we make the timetables? Yes, school. Okay, so answer is school. Second is a computer helps in keeping details of books in a, yes, library. The answer is library. Third, we watch dash and dash on a computer. Yes, the answer is we watch cartoons and movies on a computer. Okay, so answer is cartoons and movies. Get it? Now fourth, many dash films are made with the help of computer. Which types of movie films are made with the help of computer? Yes, cartoons movie. Okay, so many cartoon films are made with the help of computers. So answer is cartoon. Get it? Now the second part is tick the correct option. First, why do we use a computer to do homework? Okay, so answer is homework. Why are computer used in a school? To teach. So answer is teach. Third, why do people use computer in bank? Keep accounts. The answer is keep accounts. Get it? Fourth, why are computer used at airport and railway stations? So answer is book tickets. The answer is book tickets. So I will show these answer in the next slide. So let's start the next slide. Yes, here is the answer of the previous slides. Page number 14 answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct words, and second, take the correct option. I give you only 1 minute to write down the answer in your computer textbook. These are the answer. Okay. Have you write it, students? So let's start the next page, that is the page number 15. Okay, this is the page number 15. In page number 15, two parts are there, C part and D part. C part is write true T for a correct statement and false F for an incorrect statement. So in this part, there are 4 questions are arrived. Teachers do not use computer. Just tell me. The answer is false, because teacher use the computer to teach the students. Okay, so answer is false. We can listen to song using a computer. Just tell me. Yes, the answer is true, because you can listen and you can watch the movies and listen the song using a computer now. Yes, very good. So answer is true. Third, computers are of no use in shops and departmental stores. In departmental stores and in shops, we can see the computer. The shopkeeper use the computers. So the answer is false, because in shops and departmental stores, computers are widely used. Okay, so third answer is false. Doctor use computer to find the causes of disease. Yes, the answer is true. So here the answer. First is false, second is true, third is false, and fourth is true. Okay. Now next is answer the following questions. State 2 uses of computer in a school. 2 uses. Just tell me 2 uses. First use, keep records of books in library, and second use, make a timetable and yes, report cards with the help of computer in a school. And second question is, why are computer used in hospital? To keep records of reports, medical reports of patients. Okay, so answer of these slides I will show in the next. These are the answer of the previous slides. True, false. True, false. First is false, second is true, third is false, fourth is true. And the answer D, answer the following question. State two uses of computer: keeping details of book in library, making timetable and test papers. And second answer, why are computer used in hospital? Computers are used in hospital to make medical reports of patients. So these are the answer of the previous slides. Done. So let's start with the another slides, another page. So this is the page number 16. In here the quiz time are there. Take the quiz, use the clues to write the correct answer. So in this slide it tells some clues to you, and find out the answer with the help of these clues. So first clue is, where do people use me to send and receive messages? Where we send messages? Yes, in office. So answer is office. Second is, where am I used to make timetables? I already told you to make timetable in schools. Yes, the answer is schools. Third is, where am I used to do medical tasks? Where we do medical tasks? Yes, in hospital. So answer is hospital. Fourth is, where am I used to receive orders? Where we receive the orders? Yes, in restaurant. So answer is restaurant. And last is, where am I used to control rockets? Where I used to control rockets? Yes, space research. So answer is space research. So I will show the answer of this slide in the next slides. Okay, page number 16's answer I will show in the next slides. So these are the answer of page number 16 in the of previous slides. First answer is office, second answer is school, third is hospital, fourth is restaurant, and fifth is space research. Okay, these were the answer of page number 16. So students, this is enough for your exercise time. So students, your chapter number 2 is finished with your exercise. So it's time to homework. You have to learn of your page number 13 exercise. I repeat, you have to learn of your page number 13 exercise. Okay students, so have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye students. Bye.